We are here at the India Internet Day 2025 at the Leela Ambience Gurugram.
where some of India's brightest minds have come together to shape India's digital future.
From insightful sessions to buzzing hallway conversations,
We took a moment to interact with the attendees about the internet and AI. Here's what they had to say. Hi. So the question is, do you think India should make its internet more resilient?
I cannot believe that India today is not internet resilient. इसके बिना तो काम ही नहीं चलेगा. That's I believe that we are migrated to AI. That data is the key. Data ही नहीं चलेगा, internet ही नहीं चलेगा तो दुनिया रुक जाएगा.
so the question would be, how do you think AI will shape the business models in India?
Basically, like according to me, AI saves time. Okay, it saves time for the business purposes as well as the companies who need customer support. They can use the AI for that.
How important is internet resilience in today's date and time?
Okay, so imagine if entire country's internet goes down,
Right.
will cut off from newses, from learning. We all learn from internet in our day-to-day lives.
How do you think the AI help in shaping the business models in India?
So I think business models are have been all the primitive business models where there was a structure in every organization, same structure. So it has been gone for a toss because AI has the ability to bring and maybe help people to adopt newer ways of doing businesses.